Okay, I'm going to give just a quick lesson here on how to use your phone. I actually have an Android phone, so if you have an Apple phone, it may be different. And for any of these sites that I want to show you how to get to, make sure that if you can't figure it out, that you do a search on your phone under like a Google search to find out how to do it. First, go to fieldministries.org, and I have it right here, and I'm going to go to our inductive Bible study, and I'm going to link to the YouTube lessons. Once I'm in the YouTube lessons, I would like to show you under lesson number 4. So I'm going to go into lesson number 4, the one that I just did, accessing online dictionaries and concordances, because I want to show you how this works.
This is the homework.
And so in this right here, you do not see at all where the links are. So on my phone itself, and once again, you might have to have someone help you on your own or whatever. I'm just going to pull this part. Let's see if I can pull this down. And so now I get the information underneath it. And so I go to the More button, and now I can get my links to the Vines, New Ungers, and the Strong's Concordance. Vines is pretty much the same. You go to that and you do your thing. There's not too much difference in the Vines. I did want to show you, though, on the New Ungers, that my recommendation to you would be, first of all, I don't know if I'm logged in or not. Let me look here. Okay, it's going to ask, do you want to do the premium? And I'm going to put no thanks. I'll stay on the free tier. And then it's going to ask me if I want to download. And I don't want to really download on this. What I'd like to do is on the phone, it's so much faster just to scroll. And when I download on my phone, it's like, okay, where did the download go to? So when I'm on my phone, I just scroll down instead, and I just look at it online here. And it's much easier. Let's say that I want to go to C. Let's see here. Let's see. I'm still A's. But it's just much easier to be able to scroll when you are on your phone. And it might take a little bit. You're not going to be in this that often. If you do end up downloading it, just find out how you can find it afterwards, because that's one of the biggest trials, is trying to figure out where to find it afterwards. So that's the main thing about Ungers. And then Strong's Concordance, it's about the same in that you put your word in, and I'll put mystery in again. But I'll show you that the differences on your phone is that you don't see anything but these 3 middle columns, and that's really all that you need, because I ask you what lexicon number it is, which is way over on the right, the four numbers, 3466, and there's one other one, which is 1107. And then I just ask you to count how many times it's found in the Bible. Down at the bottom is 1 and page 2. That's about it for that. I hope that helps if you've got a phone. Once again, do a search and put in your particular, whether you've got an Android or Apple, and ask, how do you do this if you can't figure it out on your own?